What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, another video is coming at you. If you think I quit, come on, think again. This one is about Java access modifiers, or you can call them visibility modifiers. Call them whatever you like, man. That's up to you. That doesn't matter. I'm gonna go with visibility modifiers because I like the sound of that. We have 4 type of visibility modifiers. 1 is public, 2 is the default one, we have the private one, and also we have the protected one. Protected, if I mispronounce that one. Protected one. Yeah, that's it. You can use public visible modifier for classes like this one, or classes like this one, or also you can use them for methods like this one. No, this one is private. This one, method number 1, method 1 is a public. Or you can use them for data field. Data field is data field. Data field number 1. Data field 1 is public. Yeah. Do note that they can be accessed from any other class. For example, we have class 1. Class 1 is public, means it can be accessed by any other class. If it's in the same class, can be accessed, can be class 2 can access class 1. Let's just check that out. Let's check it out, man. Let's check it out. How can we know if this class be accessed or not? By creating an object. You need to know some knowledge about classes and objects. If you don't know, go search about them. Go search about them. Okay. Just comment this. Comment control question mark in most IDs. If you wanna comment something, you just press control and question mark, or a forward slash. The same key. Question mark and forward slash. It's the same key. Anyway, just let's move on. And now if I wanna run this, I'm doing shift control F10 to run class 2 in intelligent ID. I don't know about different IDs, but in intelligent, if you wanna run the code, the current code, you just press control shift F10. Yeah, it took some time. What's that? Yeah, object 1 of class is created. That means class 2 is successfully accessed to class 1. And how about the method 1? Method 1, we said method 1 is private, right? Method 1 is private. It's public. It's public. Sorry about that. It's public. In method 2 and data field 1, field 1 is also what? Public. It can be accessed from the from class 2. If you see where is class 2, class 2 is the same package as class 1. Let's just say class 3 can access class 1. Let's just check that. Let's check that out. let's check it out. Let's check it out, man. I'll stick this on comment, and then come here, Control Shift F10 to run class 3. The current code. Yeah, object class 1, class 3, result of class 3, object of class 1 created, and accessing method 1 in class 1 from class 3. And this one is access the method. Also the data field one. Like I said, if you use public modifiers, any class can access that methods or data field, yada yada, can access that thing, that public thing. Let's move on to the default one. If no visibility modifier is used, then by default the classes, methods, and fields are accessible by any class in the same package. Did you hear what I said? I'm gonna repeat that. Accessible by any class in the same package. That's the default one. You can call them package private. Let me show you some example. Okay, let me show you some example. This one is called the default modifier. The default modifier. Method 2 is default modifier. Method 2 and field 2 have default modifier. Let's just see. Class 2 can access these two methods, method 2 and field 2. Let's check that out. Let's just first control question mark or coming also same control question mark method 2 and field 2, and control shift F10 to run the code, to run the current code in intelligent. And I just wait, and then we got the result. Accessing method 2 in class 1 from class 2. Accessing field 2 in class 1 from class 2. It's accessed successfully. Like I said, the same package, because class 1 and class 2 is the same package, in the two of them in package 1. Let's just check class 3 can be accessed. Class 3 can access method 2 in field 2. I don't think so. I don't know about what the result, but I don't know. Let's check that out. But what I think is not gonna work. You can see the compiler give you error. This error is called, there's 3 different errors. There's the running time error, and there's the compiler error, and there's now a logical error. This is the compiler error. This compiler here telling you method 2 is not a public. In package 1 class 1 cannot be accessed from outside the package. Like I said, man, if you use the default modifier, this field in method only accessible by the classes in the same package. Like class 1, like class 2 can access the default methods in data fields of class 1. And also you can use the default for class 5. I create class 5. Class 5 can be accessed on so. Yeah, wait, sorry. Control Shift question mark. Control question mark to comment. No, I'm gonna repeat this. Maybe first time you haven't heard. What's the matter? It's the problem if I repeat it again and again and again. Yeah, just wait, and the object of class 5 created. That means class 2 can be access to class 5. Class 5 is not public. It has the default modifier. And how about class 3 can access? Yeah, of course, now you know the answer. We guessed it, man. Yeah, we got an error. Class 5 cannot be accessed in class because why? You said you can say. Yeah, that's true. Because class 3 and class 1 in the different package, not in the same package, Okay, everything is okay now. Let's just go to the next one. The next one is gonna be the private one. The private one, you can use the private modifier for class members. That means you cannot use it for class like this. Oh shit. Like this. Wait, like this, yeah. Like this one. You cannot use it like this. We gotta not allowed here. Modifier private not allowed here. Yeah, cannot do that. Just class members. Remember that. Class members. What is the class member? If you're wondering, class members is field, methods, constructors, or also inner class is a class member. Like this one. This code is inner class. This is a different subject. I don't want to talk about it. So I'm gonna skip it. I just know if it's in a class you can use the private modifier, but if it's not in a class you cannot use the private modifier. Just remember that. And the private modifier makes the class members like I said, method yada yada, accessible only from within its own class. Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you. This one is private. It's can class 2 access it? Let's just check it out, man. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, wait. What's the name? Class field 3. Field 3. This one. Can I access? No, we got an error. What the error said? Cannot fall. Oh, okay, sorry. Not this error. Oh, I'm calling this one. I just check that out again. Field 3 has private access in package 1 class 1. Private package. You cannot access it outside its own class. If it cannot be accessed in class 1, what do you think? It can be accessed in class 3? Let's see that. Let's check that out, man. Do not say anything until you check it out. Do you check that out? Wait a minute. Where is it? This method 3, yeah. Yeah, you cannot. Field 3 has private access in package 1 class 1. Yeah, comment this one. Sorry about that voice. And also comment this one. And that one. And the last one. Before I explain to you the fourth visibility modifier, you need to have some knowledge about subclasses and superclasses. If you don't, stop the video and see some videos about subclasses and superclasses, and then come back if you want to do that. That's up to you. Yeah, the last one, final, the light access modifiers is the protected one. You can use the protected one modifier for class members like the private one. I don't need to explain that again. That means you cannot use them for classes. Let me show you. Cannot use them for classes like this one. Boom, now walking, not gonna walk. Yeah. Oh, let's just read the modifier not allowed here. Modifier protected, not allowed here. Okay. Class members which are declared protected, like which one? Let's just check. Like this one. In a subclass can be accessed only by the subclass in other package. Yeah, let's just say class 1 is a superclass, and we have class 4. Class 4 is a subclass. Then we can access. Yeah, you can access that. Let's check that out. Method 5. No, not field. Just to make sure, maybe some of you haven't know anything about subclass and superclass. Class 1, then dot. Oh, wait a minute, what's going on? Oh, method 4. Yeah. Yeah, sorry, cannot do that. Impairs. Yeah, I'm learning. Just give you a different way. cannot go to somebody have a lot of knowledge. Me, I don't have enough knowledge. Me, I'm just like you. I'm almost like you. I have a little bit more knowledge than you, maybe. Maybe a little bit. Just I'm sharing that a little bit knowledge by my own way. That's what I'm doing, man. Yeah, if you want like a lecture, you can go to a university or you can go YouTube and you find a lot of videos about what I'm doing. But me, I'm gonna put my fingerprint. I'm gonna put my touch, my things. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Class 1 method 5 can be accessed. Yeah, it can be accessed because it's a class 5 is a subclass of class 1. Then class 4 is a subclass of class 1. Class 4 is a subclass of class 1. And then you just control shift F10 to run the code. Just wait. Object of class 5 created. No, not this one. Doesn't matter. No, okay, sorry over there. Now it's gonna work. In there's two conditions. You either gonna be subclass of that class or you either gonna be in the same package to access to protected data field and methods. Logic class 2, this is the second edition. The third. That's fine. Yeah. What's the problem? Oh. Mother 4 also. But this is static and this is instant. This is a different subject. That's all. I think just this subject, just this took a lot of time. If now I'm gonna explain static and instant, it's gonna take a lot more time. Let's just focus on one thing at a time. Yeah, let's just the important thing is protected. It's protected. Exit and see. Then we run control shift F10 and then yeah, it's working. It's working. Yeah, object class 1. Yeah, that's the 4. I'm gonna try to simplify it for you guys. I'm gonna simplify it. Ask yourself. Yeah, I'm gonna simplify it when which one you use, and when you use, which one you use. Ask yourself who's gonna access the class, method, or data field. If the answer is any class, just go with public. If the answer is any class within the same package, go with the default one. If the answer only classes itself, go with private. In the last if the answer is the class with the classes with the same package in the subclasses, go with the protect one. I put a lot of time and effort in this video. If you like it, give me some love by giving me a like. It just gonna take you seconds to do that. Yeah, that's it. Salam.